Hey guys, in this video we will see how to freeze pane. So basically where is freezing the pane is helpful. For an example, this is a very huge data. If we are going to scroll down, we will find that our title of each column vanishes as we are going to scroll down. So it's very difficult to identify the type of data present in each and every column. It will be really helpful if with the scrolling of the data down, the title of each and column also stays. So this is where freezing of the pane will come into picture. So how to freeze the pane? For an example, if we want to freeze only the top row, so we will go in the view tab, and from here we will go in the freeze panes. From here we will choose freeze top row. Now here we will find that our top row has been freezed, and if we are going to scroll our data down, we find that the top row stays with the data. So this is where freezing the pane is helpful. Now in the similar manner, we can also freeze our column. If we want to freeze the first column, we simply has to go in the freeze pane option, and from here we will choose the freeze first column. So we will find that our first column has been freezed. If we are going to scroll our data towards the right, we will find that the first column has been freezed. So this is basically how you freeze the top row and the first column in a data. Now if we want to freeze multiple rows and columns in a given data, then that can also be done with the help of the freeze pane option. So first let me mark the rows and columns that I will be freezing. Let us freeze the first 3 rows. Let us mark it with a blue shade, and let's freeze the first 4 column. Let's also mark it with a blue shade. Now we have to freeze this 4 column and 3 rows. Now I will choose that cell that lies just below our rows that we want to freeze, and on the right of the column that we want to freeze. Now here I will find that the cell E4 lies just below all the top 3 rows and will lie on the right of all these 4 columns that we want to freeze. So after choosing the cell E4, we will go in the view tab, and from here we will go in the freeze pane option and will choose the freeze panes. Now we will find that our first 3 row as well as our first 4 column has been freezed. Now this is basically how you freeze rows and columns in Excel. If you want to unfreeze them, you simply have to go in the view tab, from here freeze pane option, and will choose the unfreeze pane option. Now we will find that our rows and columns has been unfreeze. So this is how you use the freeze option to compare your data more effectively in Excel. That was all from this video. I hope so that you like it. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.